Hey everyone, today, I'm going to show you how to create and modify a terrain in Unity. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click in the hierarchy window and select 3D object. Step 2. Choose terrain from the options to create a new terrain object. Step 3. Optionally, you can rename the terrain file to something more descriptive. Step 4. Now, select the terrain from the hierarchy window. Step 5. In the inspector window, go to the terrain settings section. Step 6. Here, you can adjust the terrain area by changing the width and height. You can also set the terrain to the middle by modifying the transform position. Step 7. Next, select the terrain paint option in the inspector window. Step 8. In the drop-down menu, choose raise and lower terrain to control the terrain's height. Step 9. Adjust the brush size and opacity to your liking. These settings determine the size and strength of the brush used for designing the terrain. Step 10. To start designing the terrain, click on the terrain in the scene window. You'll see that you can paint and sculpt the terrain as you desire. Step 11. You can also change the brushes available for designing the terrain to achieve different effects. Step 12. Holding the Shift button on your keyboard, you can lower the terrain by selecting the desired area. Step 13. Additionally, you can add new terrain design brushes to enhance your creative options. Now, let's explore some additional tools you can use to refine your terrain. Smooth height. The Smooth Height tool allows you to soften the terrain and create a more natural appearance. By adjusting parameters like verticality and blur radius, you can reduce abrupt changes, create smooth transitions between terrain types, and enhance the overall natural look of your terrain. Paint holes. The Paint Holes tool is great for adding features like caves or tunnels to your terrain. By adjusting parameters like brush size and opacity, you can control the appearance of the holes, adding natural-looking elements and enhancing the realism of your terrain. Stamp Terrain. The Stamp Terrain tool allows you to apply different shapes or meshes to the terrain, creating geological features or precise topological patterns. With Brush Mode and Mesh Mode, you can apply textures or 3D mesh shapes to achieve various terrain features such as hills, roads, lakes, and buildings. Experiment with the parameters like brush shape, mesh shape, and stamp height to create unique and realistic terrains. Set Height. The Set Height tool enables you to adjust the height of specific areas on the terrain to a desired value. Using parameters like height and mode, replace or add, you can precisely control the terrain's elevation by selecting an area and dragging the mouse. That's it! With these tools and techniques, you can create and customize stunning terrains in Unity for your game or virtual world. Have fun experimenting and let your creativity soar. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.